welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be doing a quick review of the tower cutlery set. This one is black and rose gold, and apart from the lime scale that we have in our area, this cutlery is truly beautiful. Nice display. We used it for our Christmas dinner and it was really nice in the pictures that we took. So I'll recommend this. They are dishwasher safe. They come in a pack of 4. So you have 4 spoons. You have the little teaspoon. Even this little teaspoon looks so beautiful and so big that you can even actually use it for your dessert spoon as well. They have very nice pointed sharp dinner knives, 4 of them, and then you have the fork that you can use as well. They come in pack of 4. We're a family of 5, so I had to buy 2 packs of this. That's one thing I would like to recommend. If Tower happens to go by this video, I would love to have it in a pack of 6 as well. So families of up to 6, when you have visitors come, instead of buying pack of 2, which now makes it 8, a pack of 6 would have been very, very useful. But they come in pack of 4. But I love them. They are really, really nice. They are rose gold and they match my dinner plates, and they match the dinner plates and the tower plates, and it's really nice. Thank you for watching my channel, and I hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.